Yo, welcome back to the channel, Crypto Nitro community, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to be diving down into what is known as ICP. And I'm going to tell you guys right now that this is an awesome crypto project that has been gaining a lot of attention. Obviously, this one has been talked about for a long time. And I'm telling you guys right now that the overall trend actually looks pretty good. So we're going to be diving right into the charts. We got some interesting things, especially whenever it comes to the price action. So let's talk about this. So as stated, you guys, we're going to be diving down into what is known as ICP, aka the Internet of Things. You guys can actually see over the past previous month that this thing is literally up over 165%, which is really good. However, if we take a look over the previous year, you guys can actually see that this thing is still down quite a bit, considering the fact that it used to be trading around like what was that, like $400, something like that, way up there, way up there. Okay, so if we actually take a look here, you guys will actually see we got market cap around 6 billion, which isn't bad, right? Which is actually pretty good. What else we got here? We got circulating supply. Now this is the interesting thing. Circulating supply, ladies and gentlemen, is sitting right here around 454 million. You guys, when this thing first started trading, I mean, I don't know exactly what the supply was then, right? But I imagine it's been diluted a little bit. But you guys will actually see that we have a total supply of technically 512 million. So we're really not that far. So this thing used to be really good, you guys. It used to be really good. Let's actually see if we can take a look at the market cap. I'm kind of curious. No, yeah, the market cap was massive. Yeah, when this thing first started trading, I remember originally it was backed by a lot of people. I remember that. A lot of people, a lot of exchanges, just a lot of things happening here. But this thing had a market cap of 53 billion. Wow, that's incredible. So yeah, the market cap is just dumped like crazy, right? So obviously it's starting to get a reversal here to the upside, which is actually good. But anyways, if we actually take a look here, ladies and gents, you guys are going to be able to see for the price action, a lot of things happening, right? A lot of things happening. So this thing has been slowly moving up over the past previous month, right? As stated, technically over the past previous year, it's been slowly getting there, right? This thing touched all the way down here around about $3, right? So it's kind of crazy to see that this thing is moving up pretty nicely, and which is good, right? So what do we want to talk about today? Well, we are going to be diving directly into the charts, you guys. We have ICP, right? ICP. So if we actually take a look here, one of the first things I want to talk about is going to be this blue squiggly line known as the 200 EMA. And this is actually on the 2 order or the 2-hour time frame. But you guys will actually see that we're doing pretty good and we're maintaining above this. Now, I'm telling you guys right now, the fact that we are creating higher lows is really good. But one thing I really want to point out is the fact that we do have, say, like a parallel channel here. We're going to go from here, right? And we're going to go all the way to probably around this area right there. So you guys will actually see that we're still technically in this up, or let's say ascending channel, which is good. We got rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, and rejected here, right? You can clearly see that. So obviously we're coming back down a little bit. There's a good chance that we'll probably have some kind of, we're going to try and back test as some kind of support area, which is probably going to be right here in this key area. It looks like we got a lot going on. So it looks like around 1340, which is where we currently are, right? So 1340, definitely a key level area. And if we happen to break down, we're going to be looking to back test this channel. And you guys can see this blue dotted line here. So technically, whenever the price action is above it, it's bullish, right? That's just for this channel. And if we are below it, we're considered a little bit bearish, right? We'll be looking for a back test even further, right? So a few things to point out is that if we happen to break this area, which most likely we probably will, considering the fact we do have a descending resistance as well. I haven't put it on here yet. But you guys will actually be able to see that there should be some kind of support area, which is going to be all, wow, that's all the way back down here around $10. I don't know if we're actually going to come all the way back down here. It's $10.50 because that would be like a nasty little drop, right? We're talking about like a 20% drop to the downside. I don't think we're actually going to be back testing that area. If anything, I think we're going to be coming back down and possibly back test our 200 EMA right here. And we're going to be able to continue this uptrend that we are currently in, right? And you guys can see that right there, right? So this uptrend. So we have a higher low here, higher low here, higher low here, higher low here. So we're probably looking for another higher low. Probably if we come back down all the way down here to back test this area, we do actually should have some support here as well, which is around like $11.25. So I'd be looking for a little bounce, you guys, if we do continue down, right? So obviously we got some wishy-washy stuff happening with crypto, with Bitcoin. right? Which really doesn't bother me at all. So I am technically long, right, on a lot of cryptos, but ICP, guys, definitely a banger right now, looking pretty good, slowly creating these higher lows. If anything, you guys, we'd like to see some kind of like consolidation, like a trade sideways type of thing, and then slowly move back up, right? That's what we'd like to see, if possible. Okay, so let us know, you guys, what do you guys think about ICP? I mean, pretty excited about this one. Now, if we actually go back here, you guys will see that there's going to be a lot of things popping, especially on their Twitter page. So you can actually kind of scroll through here and check it out if you'd like to, right? ICP. So we haven't, we've had some, so yeah, they're still posting like every single freaking day, which is good, right? So I guess every single week, okay? So let us know exactly what you guys think, all right? So show some love here for this project. As stated, you guys, big opportunity, right? Big things popping, right? Trustless multi-chain on ICP. So pretty excited, you guys. This is probably one of the biggest ones in the future, and a lot of people are jumping on board, okay? So don't miss out on ICP. Check it out. Let us know what you think. We'll see you next one, and ciao.